Ladies and gentlemen, many people are using Microsoft Word but still struggling about how to develop professional document from scratch. So that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you the steps or how you can create professional document from beginners to professional level, right? So also, you still stay here until the end because at the end of this live, I will also share with you the some basic uh, tips or techniques that use it in office and other businesses, right? So without spending more time, let us start. Actually, this is what we are going to deal with in this live. So as you see, we have a beginner level, the basics about Microsoft Word. We'll see how to open Microsoft Word, how to type and edit text, how to apply basic formatting, bold, italic, underline, font size, and style. We'll also how to align. We'll also see how to align our content, either left, center, right, or justify. Also, we'll see how we can use spacing in our document. Then, for intermediate level, we'll see how to use headings and how to apply page number on a document. But also, we'll see for professional level how you can create a table of content. This is the critical point here, how to create automatic table of content and how we can update it once it's necessary. Finally, we see, of course, how we can save our document so that we ensure that our document is secured and saved. So without spend more time, let us start with the beginner level. We are going to see the basics about Microsoft Word. But in the meantime, once you are here and you have any question or idea, please let us know. We can help you as much as possible. Try to write your opinion or just assumption or just question in the comment section so we can help you. So let us see how we can open Microsoft Word. So this is the basics about Microsoft Word. To open Microsoft Word, you need to come on this start icon. We just click Word, like this one, Word. Then you will see your Word with its version. Then you click on it, automatically will be opened. Do you see? Automatically will be opened. So now, after opening our Microsoft Word, here you can start to type. Do you see? You can start typing your text that will be used to develop your document. So for us, since I already have my document, I can just copy it and paste it here in order to save time. Do you see? I can just come here, go on open, then my document is this one called sample. Do you see? Is now opened. After opening Microsoft Word, I can just open my document. So I'll just copy all of text by just clicking Ctrl A, then paste it on my window here. Do you see? This is my document before applying any formatting. Do you see? Now here we are on this stage. We already finished opening Microsoft Word and typing and editing text because we already typed our text since we have our document. Now let us see how we can apply formatting, basics formatting about this Microsoft Word document. And please, if you are new here or just you are here on this live, show us we are together. Just type I'm here or just I'm running with GWIST Academy, whatever you want, but show us that we are together. You can use also emojis or other stickers to show us that we are together. And if you have a question, please let us know. Don't test it yourself. Let us know. We'll help you. Let me come back and check. I'm seeing that there is no one. Hello? Hello? Welcome to MS Word Live. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word live like this one. So if you are here, please let me know. Type I'm here or just I'm learning with GOO ICT Academy. Show me that we are together on this live. So let us come back on our content here. We already opened our document. So now let us see how we can start applying basic formatting. Let us start by bold. As you see, we have here bold, italic, underline, font size, and the font style. Just let us start by these three basics: bold, italic, and underline. Here, let us apply bold for our document. Bold is a feature that's used to highlight the basic or just a key idea in our document. For example, this title should be bold, so that looks like differ from other content. Do you see? Also, this one should be bold, because these are main topics here. Let us make them bold. Like this one, you just select. Do you see? You click, left click, then you select, then you click on this B, bold. But also you may just select it and use this one from font category. Also the same. I think this is now clear about bordering. We just select and click bold, B. Yes, let me also bold this one, since it's also key idea here. This is another subtopic, should be highlighted. Also this one. Yes, the same like this one, reference. Yeah, now we already finished to borrowed key topics in our document. Now we need to apply italic. Also, italic is the one of the formatting tools that use it also to make a text looks like different from others. To look different from others. For example, as these are subtopics, we may apply italic for these subtopics. You just select it and click on this I, italic. Do you see? And also you can just click Ctrl I, as you see. Once you mouse over on this italic icon, you will see it's a shortcut. You can just select Ctrl then I. Do you see like this one? Here I may just select, then click Ctrl I. Automatically will be look like italic. Do you see? This is what we call italic. Alright? Yes, I think now is clear also. You can see now how you can apply underline, because the third one is the underline here. Do you see? Underline. Underline, of course, is also used to highlight the key idea or key topics in our document. For example, this chapter should be highlighted using underline. You may use that one, but better to come here and select the best one from these options. For example, I may just come and use this one. We can use this one or just this one. Let us use this one. I think it's looking good. Tell me whether this one is looking good or just this one. We may use appropriate one, this one, and previous one. Which one is better on this document? Currently, let us use this one, but you may tell me which one is better than another. So, also for chapter 2, let us apply the same kind of line. You just click on this drop down icon, then you get options and you choose best one. You can use this one, but also you can just give it color by just selecting here, then we choose color. Do you see? We may use this one here. You can select any color you want. Let us use this one, like this one. Also the same as here. Let us also select it and give it the same color. You just click on it because it's already selected. This one. Yeah, is it this one? Yeah, now as you see, is now looking amazing. Do you see? This is how you can style your document by using this font category, using these features, bold, italic, and underline. Not only that, but also we need to apply then this font size and the font style. Actually, the professional documents mainly used is developed using Times New Roman. As you see, currently I have also Times New Roman, but you may choose another font style. Do you see? There are different styles you may choose. The best one based on your document. Actually, for example, once I click Ctrl A to select all of text here, come and select like this area. See now how are looking like. Do you see? It's different from previous one. I think you are getting a different here. So as I already said, the better formatting style for professional documents like those used in staffs, just business, and others are those developed using Times New Roman style. This one is the professional one. So let us leave it as it is here in Times New Roman. Yeah, I think also this is clear. Now, let me show you about a font size. It's all about setting the size of text here in your document. So also you select, for example, here I select all of text by just clicking Ctrl A. Then you come here and choose size you want. For example, I might apply this one 11. Do you see how it's looking like? Yeah. I may also apply 12 like this one. Yeah. But also for professional documents mainly use this 12. This is the one which is commonly for professional document. But for title we may increase its size by just clicking here and choose like 14. Do you see? It's different from others. Yes. Yeah. Now others letters make them 12. Here 12. Yes. Now is amazing. Yes. Now after doing this, let us go on the next about intermediate. But before going on intermediate, I want to ensure that for this stage we are together. Everyone understand about this concept, beginner level, about opening Microsoft Word, typing and editing text, basic formatting, alignment, and others. So let us see. I want your point of view about this concept. Is this lesson understandable? Yes, this is what I want to understand, right? Yes, please let me know in the comment section. Tell me about this one. Is this working properly? Tell me. And then go on. Before go on, let me know about this one. Yes, now let us go on the next topic. It's all about now for intermediate level. We are going to see how you can apply header and footers. About header and footers, we need to just come here and apply headers. Before applying table of content and page numbers, we should understand how to use headings and the footers. But the main point here is about page number, right? We can apply page number about this document. So we just need to come here. Then we come here for insert tab. Then see here on page number, you will get different options. Then you can apply page number on the top, bottom, page margin. But for us, we're interested on page number. So let us choose this one for bottom. For bottom, do you see? And then we select the basic style. just your best style here. For me, I mainly use this one. This is one commonly used for professional documents. You may just click on it here. Automatically will be applied on your document. I think this is simple and clear. And as you see, it's applied on footer because we use a bottom one. Once we use a top one, will be for header. Do you see? This part is called header, while this one is called footer. So now we used a footer. Do you see? Because we have page 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, and then here 3 out of 3. So after applying page number on your document, what you need to do is just to make double click in any page you want. For example, here double click on it. Actually, yeah, automatically will be applied. Do you see? Page 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, and 3 out of 3, as you see here. Now we already done for intermediate level. Guys, let me know how you are enjoying this lesson and if it's interesting for you. And if you have any question or assumption, also let me know. Let me know. I want to hear your opinions, right? So don't hesitate yourself. If you are here on this live, please, I'm still waiting for you. Let me know. Let me know here. You are always welcome. Let me know where you have any question, right? Yes. So let us continue. Let us continue. We are here. Let us now see how we can apply the professional features. For professional features, we need to use a table of content, which is critical point here, how we can apply table of content. And of course, to apply table of content here, we need to use headings. Because first of all, we apply headings for our document, then we apply or create table of content. So without spend more time here, we need to come on our document. Now we give topics headings. Do you see? For example, this is the key topic. We need to give it heading 1 topic, and we should also make it a real one as original one, this one. Then also we need to apply that underline because we need, yeah, do you see currently is now applied on. Then for this one is subtopic of the introduction topic. That's why you need to apply the heading 2, like this one. So that should be different from a previous one because this is subtopic of this one. So this is subtopic of introduction. That why should be in heading 3. Do you see? Also this the same heading 3, while this is also heading 2 because is also subtopic of topic 1 because we have chapter 1, 1 introduction. This is 1-2 description of school attachment area. That's why is also in heading 2. While this one should be in heading 3 because is 1-2.1. To me, that is subtopic of this subtopic. That's why you should click on it heading 3. The same case like this one also should be in heading 3. Now, of course, this should be in heading 1 because it's at the same level of the previous topic here. Then we apply our bold and remove this italic and apply underline as was. Yeah, do you see? Like this one. Also, this is subtopic should be in heading 2. The same case like this one, heading 2. I think is obvious and understandable. Heading 2. Heading 2 like this one. Then this is heading 1 because it's also title for reference should be in heading 1 and should be in origin text. That's why it should be like this one. Do you see now we already done with headings. Now next is just to structure full document, to apply structure to make arrangement of our document. So professional document should be arranged well. Of course, a chapter should start for its page, its own page, like this one. And also here, references should also have its own page, like this one. Now, our document or report is now well structured, as you see. Here, after getting here, we may just now create a table of content for this document. But please, before creating a table of content, I just want your opinions or just assumptions about this life and this lesson in general. Tell me where we are, where you have a problem, or where is going good or wrong. So let us see how you can apply table of content. If you are here or just we are here on this live, let me know, show me, or just tell me how this live is and how this lesson is helpful for you, right? Yes, now let us apply table of content. What you do is just to set or put cursor where you want to set your table of content. For me, should be at the top of this document. Then what I should do is just to come here in reference. Please make sure about this is in reference category here. To click on reference tab. Then in commands, see where you see table of contents here. Table of contents. Then you click on this drop down to get more options like this one. And then you select the one you want to use. For me, let me use this one. This one, automatic table one. So what I need to do is just click on it. Will be automatically created here. This is my table of contents, as you see. Then what we have discussed on is this one. This chapter 1 is the topic, while this introduction is the subtopic, and also these general objectives and specific objectives are subtopics of this subtopic, which is introduction. So that's how our topics are arranged. Do you see? Also, this is a subtopic. This is a sub of subtopic, this one, and also this is a topic of following subtopics. Do you see? And as I said, professional documents should be arranged in a professional way. That's why we should separate a table of contents from other contents like this one. Yes. And as you see, automatically our page will be increment. Do you see? From 3 to 4. Now we have 4 pages because added another page for table of contents. As you see, now we are around the end of our live and even our lesson, because we already complete how we can create this professional document. Now, after creating your document and it's looking good, amazing, is ready to be submitted. Yeah, now we can save our document. To save a document is just as simple. It's like a normal. We can save it either as a Word document or just a PDF. Do you see? Yes, you can save it as a Word document or PDFs. Yes, but before saving, I want to show you how you can update your table of content. Once you change like this one, you may just come and change this one. Instead of A, you may call it, let us call it 112, 111, like this one, here, dot, and here, even here, point. Because let us make it subtopic of this topic, or just let us make it 1, 2. To make it subtopic also of this topic. This let us make it 1.3. Do you see? Now at this stage it changed structure. Now is also heading 2. Do you see? And also this is heading 2 instead of heading 3. Now once to save it, we need to update our table of content. We just need to come here to select here, just to click on table of content, then click on this update icon here. Once you click on update, you will get 2 options, either update just page number only or just entire table. So better to use entire table because sometimes they may change also content or just pages. So better to click on this update entire table, then you click on OK. Do you see now change? I think you are seeing how now is looking like different from previous one. Do you see? Yes, so this is how you can update your table of content once is needed. Now let us see how to save our document, which is last step on this process of creating professional document. We need to save our document. And to save our document, what we need to do is just come here on file. I think you are aware of this. Click on save as. Please don't challenge with this save. Here we use save as because we are going to create a new document. Once we just need to update the existing document, we click on save. Do you see? But now we need to click on save as because we are going to create a new document. So you click on save as. So you select folder where you are going to save your file or just document. Let us call it updated document, and then you click on save. Automatically will be saved. It means that now is already saved. Once you come here in File Explorer, we go on documents. Remember, we save it in documents here. We should get our document called updated document. And once we open it, yeah, this is our document. I think is clear and understandable now, right? Yes, now we also need to be aware of how we can save a document as a PDF to ensure it's portable and it's secure. Because sometimes this Word document it may cause interruption while you are transferring or just sending your document from one device or one user to another. So that's why we need to save it as document. Also, to save it as document, we need to come here on save. We click on save as, and then document as folder. And please, here is where you should put your attention. Instead of saving it as Word document, as currently is Word document, now we need to change type. Do you see? Click on this drop down and choose a type you want to use. For us, let us use PDF, this one, to save it as PDF, all right? So after changing a type, we just also need to come and click on this save, because already changed type will now save as PDF. As you see, let me save it and I'll show you how it will look like now at this stage. Once come back in our document, you see our document is this one. Is now saved as PDF. Once I open it, you see is now PDF document. So this is the professional one which is ready to be submitted. As you see, there is no any other issue. We already done our document, right? So I think this video is helpful for you, and this live is also helpful for you if you have any question or any challenge about this lesson, how you can create your professional document from scratch, from beginner to professional level. Please don't hesitate yourself. Let me know in the comment section, right? And if you have any question about either this Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other professional tools, digital tools that are used daily in our life, just either in your daily job, either in business, in office, you are a teacher, you are manager, even whatever you are doing, you will need these skills. So visit us on GWOIST Academy and let us learn together and develop our digital skills. So thank you. If you are new here, don't miss subscribe so that you will access our daily lessons here on GWOIST Academy, right? So thank you. See you in next lesson.